Alright guys, welcome to how to pass trigonometry. Trigonometry can be kind of confusing, but what can I tell you guys about trigonometry that maybe will make it a little bit easier? Well, trigonometry is the study of basically triangles. And we want to study the triangles in relation from just their sides. You might know this as the hypotenuse. And then you will have your base angles, which will either be, if this is the angle here, and so we want it in relationship with the sides and the angles. So if this is the angle, then we can say that this is going to be the opposite side to that angle. Opposite, and that's going to be the adjacent side. Adjacent. I don't have enough room there. Anyways, and then if this was the angle, then we would have this being the opposite side and this being the adjacent side. Anyways, basically all you need to know as an introduction to trigonometry is that you're going to be dealing with the relationship between these sides and how they relate to the angles. And this can be used to solve a lot of things. Just to give you an early application, if a building is a certain height, say this is the building, and we have our guy standing here, and he's looking up at the building, and he knows that he's 6 feet high. He's a 6 foot tall man, so decently tall. Well, yeah. And so basically, we can tell by just telling what this angle is, and if we know what this angle is, and we know how far away from the building he is, say he's maybe 20 meters away from the building looking up at a 45-degree angle at the building, we can actually figure out how tall this building is just by using trigonometry. And so trigonometry deals with figuring out things like this, but it also deals with what you might know as waves, if you've taken any math, where it can help you figure out the distance between each crest. And so, I mean, these are things that we're going to get into, but basically trigonometry is very applicable to life, and you might be in math class because it's required. That's why I took it, but as I learned more about it, then I actually started to find it to be a little bit fascinating, and I actually kind of enjoyed all of the application that it had to real life, and was able to not only pass it but do quite well. And so that's what these videos are for, is to help people not only pass trigonometry, but to actually enjoy learning about how it applies and the cool things that you can do with trigonometry. So I hope you guys enjoy these tutorials, and yeah, hope to see you in the next one, and we'll get right into it. Thanks for watching.